Hi, good morning. Welcome back to EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Due to some technical glitch, unable to upload videos from last 2 days. I will cover those news in today's video. Please watch. EduGuru Daily Current Affairs 21st April 2020. The first question: Facebook has launched a third party fact checking system in which country to discourage the speed of fake news? Answer: Bangladesh. Who will head the high level task force constituted by the central government to develop vaccines and drugs to tap the rising number of COVID 19 cases? Answer: Vinod Pal. Scientists have discovered a six planet system found in almost perfect orbital harmony in the Draco constellation. The planets using spectrograph of which observation? Answer: Have Province Observatory. Question number 4. The government of which state has partnered with healthcare app Ayu to tackle the coronavirus pandemic? Answer: Rajasthan. Gene Deitch, who passed away at the age of 95, was the director of which famous cartoon show? Answer is Tom and Jerry. Fitch Solutions have cut down India's GDP growth forecast to dash percentage of on account of contraction in consumption and loss of large scale income. Answer: 1.8 percentage. Which state has become the first one to geotag community kitchens to produce around 12 lakh food packets a day? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Name the website launched by the government to pull in data related to critical human resources for combating and containing COVID 19. Answer is covidvarriors.gov.in. Which company have a COVID 19 tracking website to bring state by state updates on the spread of coronavirus pandemic? Answer: Instagram. Who has launched the national list of intangible cultural heritage of India in New Delhi in an attempt to recognize the diversity of Indian culture? Answer is Prahalad Singh Patel. He is the Minister of Cultural and Tourism Minister. The Delhi government developed which app for door-to-door survey in containment zones to speed up real-time analysis data in a bid to contain the virus? Answer is Access Corona. Name the company which has launched Plasma Bot to encourage COVID 19 recovered patients to donate plasma to help cure patients. Answer: Microsoft. Abba Kyari, who passed away recently due to COVID 19, was the chief of staff of which country? Answer: Nigeria. Name the institution whose students have developed a one-stop COVID-19 platform for accessing emergency services during the pandemic. Answer: IIM Kozhikode. The central government has constituted DAS interministerial central team to make on-spot assessment of COVID-19 situation and issue necessary directions to state authorities. Answer is 6. 6 interministerial central team has been formed for assessment of COVID-19. The institute of which state has developed a diagnostic test kit to confirm COVID-19 cases in just 2 hours at a low cost of around 1000 rupees. Answer: Kerala. The 44th session of UNESCO's World Heritage Committee has been postponed. It was scheduled to be held in which country? Answer is China. Which of the following payments bank will now issue MasterCard debit cards to its account holders to enable them to perform online transactions, make payments in stores as well as withdraw cash from ATMs? Answer: Paytm payment banks. It allow their online transactions for their customers and make payments in stores also and withdraw cash from ATMs. Answer is Paytm payment bank. In April 2020, which country has expressed solidarity with India in its fight against the coronavirus pandemic by projecting the tricolor on the famous Matterhorn mountain? Answer: Switzerland. Which of the following has released guidelines for Ramadan practices in the context of COVID-19 and advised social distancing and virtual prayer meets? Answer: Who? World Health Organization. The team Mask Force, created to spread awareness about earning masks, wearing masks in public places, is related to which of the following? Answer: BCCI. A team of researchers of which institute is aiming to develop a ward board that will deliver food and medicine to COVID-19 patients in their isolation wards? Answer: IIT Ropar. Norman Hunter died in April 2020 after contracting coronavirus. He was related to which sport? Answer: Football. Which of the following has tied up with French company Air Liquide Medical Systems for production and supply of ventilators in Tamil Nadu and other states? Answer: Hyundai Motors India. Who has been named as Cricket South Africa's permanent director for a 2-year period in April 2020? Answer: Graham Smith. When is the International Day for Monuments and Sites observed annually? Answer: 18th April. When is the World Liver Day observed? Answer: 19th April. Which of the following is revising the return forms for financial year 2019-20, which shall be notified by the end of April 2020. Answer: Central Board of Direct Taxes. This is all for today's current affairs. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.